Hey everybody, my name is Brian Stone. I'm the president of Troptions. We're doing 7 videos teaching people how to use Troptions. We started off with strategy. Next video was get involved. The third video was educate yourself. The fourth video was are you able to explain your asset? And the fifth video that we're doing today is buying something. Now, I never tell people to go out and try to buy a car or a truck or a boat or a house or anything like that, because you'll be disappointed and frustrated. Start small. Start with a family member or a friend and go buy a chair from them. Go buy a lawnmower from them. Go buy whatever you want, but small. Coffee cup, desk, whatever it is. Start small. The reason why I say start small is because it gives you the opportunity to build up some confidence in yourself and get them to ask you questions so that you can explain to them what Troptions is all about. Now, once they agree to buy something, you want to take the steps that you need. You need to be able to open a wallet, show them how to open a wallet, show them how to put Bitcoin in their wallet, show them how to get in their back office on their wallet, and show them how to receive and send Troptions themselves. So this is the first step in buying to get you comfortable and to give you the confidence that you need so that you can go out and buy a car or a truck or a house or land or whatever you want to do with your cryptocurrency, the asset called Troptions. So start small and then crawl, walk, and run. Once you do this, go to another friend, go to another neighbor, go to whatever, but then you can get on the phone and you can start buying things with Troptions where you feel comfortable enough that you can explain your Troptions to other people that you're going to ask them to buy something. Now, don't forget, you're not always going to get somebody that's going to take 100% Troptions. You may want to start off with 50-50 Troptions, 50-50 cash. You may want to start off, we just got this Rolls Royce, it was 30% cash, 70% Troptions. So be open-minded enough so that you can do it, because anything portion of whatever you're going to acquire with your Troptions is a savings to you anyways, because if you bought something for 10 cents and it's worth $500 today, you've saved all kinds of money using your Troptions, because your initial out-of-pocket for a let's say I bought a couch for $500 and I used one Troptions.gold, xtroptions.gold, used one. That out-of-pocket money for that $500 couch was 10 cents. So I took 10 cents, I acquired a Troption that had grown to $542, and I bought that couch. My out-of-pocket is 10 cents. So I hope you understand how you leverage your Troptions, because buying something is very, very powerful when you use your Troptions, okay? So get the confidence that you need. Start something small. Like I say, buy a couch, buy a chair, buy a lawnmower. Buy something small from a friend or a family that's going to ask you questions, and you want to be able to explain it to them. Again, you want to be able to show them how to open a wallet, how to set up a wallet, how to put Bitcoin in their wallet, how to transfer things from their wallet to others. Because what it is the more people that you get involved, the bigger the circle becomes that you can buy things from. So you should be telling everybody about your asset. Everybody. And you should be asking them if they want to sell something and get a little, because once they see how Troptions works and they see the values, how they continue to grow, and they go up and down, but they go up, and they can use it to barter things just like you did when you bought something from them.